In my last short film also, Wrong Mistake, Sushant Singh was there. I started the film with a kissing scene, the first shot. कैमरा यहाँ पे होता है और आप एक टेक्निकल चीज कर रहे हैं जिसको कट बोलते हैं तो रुक भी जाती हो।
यार मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है।
फॉर एग्जाम्पल पता है क्या होता है, मोस्टली लड़कियों को पूछते हैं सवाल सब लोग, मोस्टली किसिंग सीन्स के बारे में। सीधा वो आर्टिकल हेडलाइन आता है कि हॉट सीन ऑफ फ्लोरा। हाय, दिस इज लक्ष्मी आर अय्यर।
हाय, दिस इज फ्लोरा।
Hi, this is Richa Soni.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.
Okay, so what was your brief like and your approach when you were just explaining the love making scenes to Sudhanshu and Flora? So when a woman is directing it, so I'm sure that it's a different case.
So in my last short film also, Wrong Mistake, Sushant Singh was there, and there was Achint Kaur and there was another actor, Sky. There was a kissing scene in that also. So I somehow in this and in that film we shot the kissing scene in the last. So we shot 10 in the night, probably the kissing scene. Now the different thing was here, I started the film with a kissing scene, the first shot. Here, because I knew Flora very well and Sudhanshu also was a dear friend only. Because there was lighting also in the morning, we wanted that light also to fall on the face. If you see the frame, we wanted it to be done in the morning because then we'll lose light and it will not come that effective. So I went and told them, so I briefed them. I think they were both professionals and people don't understand this. They are just acting their part out, End of the day, they're actors who are doing a scene. Camera यहाँ पे होता है और आप एक technical चीज कर रहे हैं जिसको कट बोलते हैं तो रुक भी जाती हो. So बहुत लोग ये समझते नहीं है. So I think that way, every time I told them, now that it's not coming natural. So जितने भी retake किए, I mean, they were very cooperative. It's about two actors showing that because it has to look natural also, right? So I think kudos to the actors more importantly, understanding it's a love sequence and you have to feel that, it's real, frankly.
So you said that you're working with a woman director for the first time. So when she's explaining you, say these love making scenes, so is it different from the direction that you're getting from maybe like a male director?
I think psychologically आपको थोड़ा सा different लगता है because you just feel that she would understand that, and knowing Lakshmi, I knew that this was never I mean it was a part of the story because it's on infidelity, तो आप कैसे दिखाओगे, but this was not the context. So and she was very clear, यार हमारे तो पीछे पड़ी थी स्टार्टिंग से, अरे यार जल्दी करो यार, मेरे को और भी शूट करना है.
This first take, right? Because obviously when you start, the first take is never going to come because you're just getting into, they are different people, right? They are individual actors. You can't expect the first take of a romantic scene to be bang on. So I said it should look more natural. And they're like, what does she want? And like, more natural. And then I think in 2-3 takes, आ ही गया because मैं छोड़ने भी नहीं वाली थी. For no, I was not going to leave them also. Yeah. I would have made them kiss, I think, till 12
And the funniest part was, Sudhanshu was shy. She was really shy about the whole thing. And she comes and says, यार मजा नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे मजा नहीं आ रहा है. How do I Lakshmi को कैसे मजा दिलाए?
So yeah, I said on the camera it should look nice. So I think it comes, everybody has enjoyed it as a viewer, right? I mean, the chemistry is being seen. So yeah, it because it performed well, I think it's a scene again. It's not that कि बहुत लोग ये सोचते हैं, and I'm very sorry for example, पता है क्या होता है, mostly लड़कियों को पूछते हैं सवाल सब लोग, mostly kissing scenes के बारे में. I have never seen male actors being questioned about bold roles or anything, so I feel very bad about that. Yeah.
No, you watch Imran Hashmi interviews.
Only Imran Hashmi. There's so many actors who kiss on screen. But females are questioned more, I feel. Why? बोल्ड सीन भी एक्टिंग ही होती है यार, वो कौन सा पर्सनल लाइफ है.
करना चाहूंगी कि आपने जिस तरीके से पूछा है ये सवाल, seriously, hats off to you. Really, the way you have asked, the way you have portrayed the entire thing in one sentence with it was dignified,
Because we keep giving media interviews, it's very stupid
it's
the way they ask.
Artistic expression. At the end of the day, it's an artistic expression.
Yes.
It's just
No,
one
they ask
part
you
of
कैसा लगा.
One part of the
I
acting
don't understand.
expression.
They ask you every time they ask her, I feel more because she's a friend also. She's my actor also. When they ask her कैसा लगा, what is this कैसा लगा meaning here? I don't understand.
How do we reply?
How do you reply to a question like this? And she looks at me and I look at her like, this person needs to really get educated. That's what.
So in the middle of the interview, somebody asked me, आपको कैसा लगा? So we looked at it. She said, 1 minute, मैं जवाब दूँगी.
I get offended because it's stuck to the image. They don't understand acting at all. I feel sometimes, yeah. Because
इसे कैसा लगा, like they ask for everything कि आप अभी किसी सोल्जर के डेथ हो जाता है तो उसकी फैमिली आपको कैसा लग रहा है, कैसा लगेगा, what do you expect that कैसा लगेगा?
I think they need to get really educated.
So they see, I think that's a different debate altogether. So in fact what she was saying that was interesting, that do it जल्दी से करो, जॉब भी करना. So basically from my experience of talking to directors especially, because I really like talking to directors and behind the scenes people. So any good director has already visualized the scenes, the entire thing
And I
in her
acted
mind,
it out. I
in
think
her or
I-
his mind.
I even acted
That
it
is
out.
why
the
they come
way I
across as a
want.
bit crazy. That that because they already know
Yeah.
what they want. That is why they came across as a bit on a
Yeah.
different
See,
platform.
although they all met each other, but they've never acted with each other. So obviously, even she's close to Sudhanshu in the film, right? Although she may not have a kissing scene, but she's also getting close to. So it's also that doesn't happen immediately. It takes time for that. You know, for me, Flora ko jab maine bataya. So even there were times when I was acting like Sudhanshu and I was showing ki this moment I want, and I think they were like, "Itna explain kar rahi hai," because for me it has to look very classy. You know, on camera for me, it is very important. I don't want to be, even as a director, your scenes should look like, you know, something not spoken as, oh my god, masala, because the kind of trolls you have nowadays, they just focus on that. There's nothing more. There's filmmaking की बात नहीं होती है, वो सीधा वो article headline आता है कि, you know, hot scene of Flora. So like I don't want that kind of you know, thing for any actor or any film in general. That things should be spoken more than that, right?
But I think the best part about having a female director has been, for me, जब भी trolls होते थे, I used to get bothered. I used to call her up. She said, and then she would be all geared up, man, go answer make you. And be it interviews, be it trolls, be it sometimes, you know, just the descriptions. She has fought for me all throughout this film. कि यार ये गलत है. This is not my film. This is not how I want my actors to be portrayed.
See, forget about the film. As a person also, I feel people should draw boundaries of what they should talk. Online you can't do anything because they talk crap, so you can't get affected by whatever is spoken online. But then of course you can't entertain certain things, and you have to be a little rigid, because sometimes, like I told you, people ask you weird questions, so you can't answer these questions. Not that you're scared, but you know, they don't know what to ask sometimes, I feel. So for her, I've seen her being bullied so much sometimes that I feel very bad for her, because you know, how many times can an artist say, dude, just grow out of the, you know, this thing that, you know, I'm acting, please understand I'm acting. What more can an actor say?
No, that's true. But I think on the online platform, you get the bad, but at the same time, many times you get very good information as well.
Yeah.
Like, say, personally, I've realized that you get some really fine information and perspective, which is really nice as well. So I think it's
The pros and
both
cons,
sides.
yeah, always,
Pros and
yeah.
cons,
So yeah, that's why I say her Instagram is filled with a lot of compliments. Even her, even me. On, you know people who reply you, but then social media, people reach out to you, they tweet, they tag you, so you know that people are watching your film. And you know, for a short film to get response, like I told you, it's amazing, because लोग एक छोटी फिल्म के लिए भी इतनी बात कर रहे हैं, तो it means acceptance है short films की आज की market में, which is nice. Hi, this is Lakshmi R. Iyer.
Hi, this is Flora.
Hi, this is Richa Soni.
And you're watching us on
Bollywood Hangama.